This has been such an exciting week for our board as we participated in 9 Arlington ISD graduations and congratulated nearly 4,000 seniors as they walked across the stage. We also had a lot of people to congratulate at our school board meeting this evening. Here are some of the highlights from the meeting. Fred Threets Jr., a rising senior at Lamar High School, kicked off the meeting for us by leading everyone in the Pledge of Allegiance. Fred has been a member of the Student Leadership Advisory Board this year. The advisory board includes representatives from the junior class at all 8 of our high schools, and they represent Arlington ISD students' opinions and provide their voice to the Board of Trustees and the Arlington ISD community. We're extremely grateful for their impactful service, and we took time this evening to celebrate and thank them. We then presented the Community Partner Award of Appreciation to the River Legacy Foundation. Since the opening of the River Legacy Nature Center in 1996, Arlington ISD 4th grade students have taken part in the Young Scientist program, a field investigation field trip that provides an authentic experience in nature. Since 2010, our 2nd graders at Title I campuses have participated in a forest detective program, providing access to hands-on educational experiences. And now, many of our high school students are involved in habitat projects at the center. Thank you, River Legacy, for inspiring wonder, curiosity, and a lifelong connection to the world around us. This evening, we also honored our district's UIL athletic state champions this year. We had 3 wrestling state champs from Martin, Nick Zamora, Isaac Arevalo, and Grayson Carpenter. And Caitlin Cavett, also from Martin, won the gold medal in the long jump. Congrats to these amazing student athletes. The honors didn't end there. Next, we congratulated the district's principals and assistant principals of the year. They work so hard all year long and truly set the tone at their schools, so they are so deserving of this recognition. Later, the board ratified the appointment of Arlington ISD's new Chief Schools Officer, Dr. Brett Champion. Dr. Champion brings more than 34 years of experience in public education, including 23 years in district leadership roles, so we are excited to have him. We're also excited about our new Chief Communications Officer, Taina Northington. And this evening, she presented the 2025-2026 Marketing Plan Framework. Major goals of the plan include increasing student enrollment and retaining current students. The plan incorporates recommendations from the recent communications audit conducted by the National School Public Relations Association. We then heard a presentation from Aaron Perales, Executive Director of Engagement, Equity, and Access. He gave us an update on the district's family engagement efforts and highlighted how they line up with the board's priorities. Finally, we approved the bid for the construction of an addition at the Dan Dipert Career and Technical Center. This is a 2019 bond project that will add 10 classrooms, including an electrical lab and 2 construction labs. The addition will also be constructed as a storm shelter for the campus. Those are just a few of the highlights from tonight. If you would like more details on any of these or any of the items I didn't cover, please click the link on the screen to watch the entire meeting. Thank you and have a great summer.